To update WhatsApp on your Android phone, start by opening the Google Play Store. In the search bar at the top, type WhatsApp and search for it. Tap on it from the list. If an update is available, you will see an update button. Just tap on it, and the latest version of WhatsApp will start downloading and installing automatically. Make sure you are connected to the internet, preferably Wi-Fi, for a smooth update. If you only see open instead of update, it means you are already using the latest version of WhatsApp. You can also enable auto updates for WhatsApp so you never miss a new version. Just tap the three dots in the top right corner of the WhatsApp page on Google Play Store and check Enable Auto Update. That's it. You have now updated WhatsApp to the latest version. If this was helpful, don't forget to like the video, share it, and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials.